Hello and welcome to ClicData. Let's take a tour to discover all the tools you can use to analyze your data. First, any data table can be explored with AI. Open the viewer and ask AI about your data. The output can be in text format and table format for easier reading. Filter the data to drill down into specific rows of the table. To visualize and get info about the schema and the content of any table, access the Analyze tool. Verify distribution, mean, averages, min, and max for each field. This can help check data quickly before building a report or a dashboard, for instance. For further exploration, the Insights tool is the module you need. Build tables and pivot data by a simple drag and drop of dimensions and metrics. Choose how the data speaks best to you. You are now able to spot outliers, missing data, or simply get a general understanding of your data. Insights can be saved and used by other users in ClicData or via live links. For advanced analytics, whether you prefer SQL or Python, data scripts are the most powerful tool at your fingertips. They are completely integrated into the platform and let you explore any data table in your data warehouse and files in your data lake. Finally, you can even let your users explore data if you wish so. Build a dashboard where they can use filters and the AI chat to dive and drill through data. You can fully master what tables can be explored and set up the filters that make the most sense. Now, we also offer easy ways to extract data to other tools outside of the app. With the Excel add-in installed in a few clicks, you can load fresh data into Excel spreadsheets and explore it from there. With ClicData, power up your data game. Contact us for a personalized demo or start your trial at www.clicdata.com.